challenge for sure, and the rightest decision was to be taken. I got myself enrolled at Almighty Institute of Commerce, Sector 27C, Chandigarh, and this was the rightest and the bestest decision. Syed Sir is a very passionate teacher, and his way of teaching is so fascinating that it urges an individual to learn more and know more. I recommend all of you to join his institute and visit his YouTube channel. I recommend all of you to get yourself enrolled at Almighty Institute to move on path of success and learning. And I am sure that all of your journey will be as beautiful as mine. Thank you.